Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss again on the same series how to make money. And here we are going to discuss another tool, and that is all about a very popular tool. I think most of the people, even in percentage, if I look out, even almost even 65% people, even today, also, even they are investing on the same tool, and that is all about your fixed deposit. So, any person, even I think this is not a new terminology. Fixed deposit. I mean, most of the financial institutes, especially banks, if you look out, so they are offering even different rate of interest. Even they are actually looking for, let's say, for quite, let's say, shorter time, maybe for a longer time. So whatever even plans it is suitable for you, based on that one, even they are also customizing each and every year, each and every quarter, and they are also changing. And this is very competitive rate of interest even nowadays. Even for senior citizens, even people are, let's say, 60 plus, so they are going to get even some extra, even additional even rate of interest compared to people who are actually below age of 60 age. I mean, those who are below 68. So let's say they will be getting lesser of 0.50 or maybe 0.75 or maybe 0.25. So it depends on, again, company to company, product to product, and plan to plan. But yes, this is how typically a fixed deposit works actually. Fixed deposit, when I'm talking about the fixed deposit, so that's a very simple. Your lump sum amount you have to fix for certain years. If you want to know more, definitely we have already discussed in my FD even tool itself. So you can go, you can watch that video, and then you can come back to this video so that you will be able to understand in details elaborately over here. Here we are discussing only how to make money. And if I have, let's say, a fixed deposit, and if I want to do, let's say, a fixed deposit, whatever amount, x, y, z, or x plus 1 or x plus 2 or x plus 3, whatever amount, if I want to do for a fixed deposit to any bank, so the first thing it will come to my mind, I have to arrange this money, whether I want to do for 10 lakhs, whether I want to do for 5 lakhs or 50 lakhs, or maybe it is once year, whatever amount I just want to do it. So I have to arrange this money, and that money you have to keep it to this particular bank or maybe particular financial institute, and then you will be able to enjoy this rate of interest. So this is how the fixed deposit works. Nothing new on this, and there is no even additional discussion on the same point. But the question over here is how I can arrange this money. Because if I want to go for, let's say, a once year fixed deposit, so it is not easy, let's say, for any kind of salaried people, or let's say any kind of mediocre business category of people, or let's say any other professional people, put together all 1 crore to arrange, and then they have to fix it for, let's say, whatever, 5 years, 10 years, whatever plan even they are planning for this fixed deposit, isn't it? So it is not a easy amount, it is not a easy going method. Now here's the technique, and how you can actually save money out of even your savings, even out of even that you can invest even your xyz amount towards your ft. Because as I told you, you should invest all your tools. So already we have discussed one or two tools, already we have already discussed. So this is the another tool we are discussing. So going forward we'll be discussing even other tools also. So irrespective of your income, irrespective of your earning, irrespective of your savings, irrespective of your investment pattern, as I told you, your portfolio should be with every event tools, with every even investment pattern, whether it is mutual fund, whether it is insurance, whether it is FD, whether it is XYZ, it should be with everything. So here, now coming back to our topic. So again, if I want to plan, let's say, for the 10 lakhs, or let's say for this 20 lakhs, or let's say for this 50 lakhs, or let's say for this once year. So how can I arrange this money? Even though if I want to save this money, as you have already even we have already spoken even in my fundamental video also, if you go and 30-40% whatever I'm going to save, or let's say somebody is going to having this same habit, so till 1 crore, or let's say 10 lakhs, or maybe 20 lakhs or 50 lakhs, again it would be a big even thought. Even again it would be a big, like, a big arrangement for them. Even though I need to wait for another even couple of years on it, I need to plan for a couple of years also. I cannot wait, I want to do it immediately. So for that, what you need to do, one by one, you have to start your all even financial investment with all financial tools. So now let's say 5 years back, let's say, I'm just giving an example. So how to make money? Now here is the point we are discussing. And that is actually the tricks I'm going to tell you. So let's say 5 years back, I have started a small amount, irrespective of my any of this RD, or maybe let's say a mutual fund, SIP, whatever. Again, I'm telling you. So I'm not here to promote any kind of product, any kind of service. So this is just an example purpose so that you can understand your portfolio on a better way. So let's say 5 years back, I have started, let's say, my SIP plan. How much? Let's say I've already started with 10,000. So 10,000, if I have already invested last even 5 years, so how much totally I have invested? So it is very simple. It is, let's say, around 6 lakhs I have already invested, isn't it? So it is very simple. So 6 lakhs already I have invested, right? So 5 years and my total investment of 6 lakhs. So let's say on a brighter way, if I look out, let's say now this fund actually increased investment, my capital investment, it is 6 lakhs, and let's say this fund has grown up, let's say around another 6 lakhs, with interest, with cumulative interest, with compounding interest, around 12 lakhs. Possible? Yes, somebody already is doing in the same manner, so they know better with this calculation, so it is already done. So what is my total fund now? It is around 12 lakhs. How much I'm planning for, let's say for my fixed deposit, it is 10 lakhs. So what I need to do, I no need to take my savings, I no need to even touch my savings, even though I have done already 30-40%. But that 30-40%, maybe I'm investing somewhere else, so I no need to plan for this 10 lakhs from there. This 12 lakhs, whatever I have already, out of that, if I feel I can redeem, I can withdraw this 10 lakhs, and that 10 lakhs calling from my RD, or let's say calling from my SIP plan, I'm actually investing to another tool, and that is my fixed deposit. So actually, how much I'm paying from my pocket? It is nil. It is zero. I'm not even untouched with my savings also. That money, even how much I have already paid, 6 lakhs, that grown up to 12 lakhs, or maybe that RD even grown up from 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs. That entire RD I'm just withdrawing, and that money I'm just going to start over here in a FD, because I know this FD is going to give me maybe a lower rate of interest, but still it is a fixed rate of interest. So some people definitely they will be having in their mind, so I need something on a fixed deposit, on a fixed income also. Though I'm investing other tool, maybe that is not guaranteed, or maybe that is not even fixed. But here in that way, if you look out this tool, even though it is less, even though it is more, whatever way, it is actually a fixed income for you. But how to manage, how to even start with this? So that 10 lakhs, it is coming to this fund, to your FD fund, and then going forward again you are going to get this FD returns also. And from this FD returns, what you can do, each and every year, whatever you are actually getting, maybe 8%, maybe 10%, maybe 12%, whatever, irrespective of this, that money again you are going to utilize, let's say again for my SIP even invest in, or maybe for my insurance premium, what already you have spoken. So you can go, you can watch, and you can also understand how it is correlated. So typically, if I look out, if I have a good savings, if I have a good even 30-40%, if I've already saved, that amount I can, even that whole amount, even if I take it, if I actually cut into pieces, so I can do my first investment, my second even clearance of my premium, and this is another investment even I can start. Even on single investment itself, I can maintain so far whatever we have discussed, all this tool from the single investment. And that is how you can make money, that is how you can save even more money, that is how you can save even more, even I mean you can increase your more investment, even with all the tools, whether it is mutual fund, whether it is insurance, whether it is health insurance, whether it is FD, whether it is RD. Each and every tools you can utilize, each and every tool you should invest without paying. from your pocket, without drain from your savings itself. Thanks for watching. Any kind of queries, any kind of questions, you're always welcome to my chat box, always welcome to my mailbox. I'm just expecting more and more queries, because maybe you have a different plan, maybe your portfolio is different. So for that, you have to contact me, and for that I can design, I can do even something better plan for you. This is on a generic way, whatever 19 years experience I have gathered, whatever 19 years customer even case studies have already handled, that only I'm just sharing. So if it is generic, or if it is helping you, if you're going to make money out of it, I'll be the happiest one. But yes, individually, if you want to make any kind of plan, just a chat box away, chats, just a mailbox away, even from my end. Thanks for watching.
Your love is rated X.